Another day, another nap ruined. Why does food always involve effort? Why walk when I can roll? Oh wait, food's too far. Never mind. Listen, fish, I just want to talk with my stomach. Yep, scared of a ketchup bottle. Definitely the king of the kitchen here. I swear, this kitchen is haunted. Even cheese won't stay put. The ball wins this round. I'll just stay here with the flowers ... This house is cursed. First cheese, now toast. Sure, gravity. Team up with the apple. I don't need this. I meant to do that. Totally part of the plan. A feather, really? I was expecting at least a bird. Balloons, fun for humans, nightmares for cats. I was aiming for a drink, not a belly flop. I was aiming for the mouse, not the flower factory. I'm chasing my own shadow. Am I losing it? I came for a snack, not an ice skating contest.